Ever felt like your debt is a clingy ex that just won't let you move on? You're not alone. Debt has a way of sticking around, much like that ex-partner who still hasn't returned your favorite hoodie or deleted your Netflix profile. It's the tenacious leech that saps your financial vitality, persistently plaguing your bank statements and refusing to take the hint. It's the uninvited guest at your monthly budget party, gobbling up your income cake slice by slice. We've all been there. You're flipping through your bills and there it is, your debt, waving at you from the page, grinning like a Cheshire cat. It's that sinking feeling, the knot in your stomach, the oh, you again moment. And just like a clingy ex, it's not the easiest thing to get rid of. But fear not, my dear friends, because today we're showing that clingy ex the door. Now picture this, a life without the constant nagging of debt. Sounds like a dream, doesn't it? Well, let's get down to business and talk about the debt dumping strategy, a game plan to turn that dream into reality. Imagine debt as a grumpy old landlord, always at your door, demanding his share. Your mission, should you choose to accept it, is to evict this uninvited guest from your life. Let's start with a simple tool everyone should have, but somehow many overlook. It's called a budget. Now, don't roll your eyes. Think of it as your personal financial GPS, guiding you on the road to debt-freeville. It helps you keep track of your income and expenses, ensuring that you don't spend more than you earn. That's rule number one in the fight against debt. Next up, discipline. This is your secret weapon and your worst enemy all at once. It's like going to the gym. You know you should, but that couch looks so inviting. However, just like a consistent workout routine leads to a healthier body, consistent payments lead to a healthier bank account. Set up automatic payments if you can, to make sure you're consistently chipping away at that debt mountain. Finally, let's talk about prioritizing high-interest debt. Picture this. You're running away from two bears. One's a teddy bear and the other's a grizzly. Which one should you outrun first? Exactly, the grizzly. Similarly, high-interest debt is your grizzly. It grows faster and can cause more damage than low-interest debt. So, tackle the grizzly first and you'll have more resources to deal with the teddy bear. Remember, every dollar you pay towards reducing your debt is a step closer to your dream. It's a journey, and like any journey, it begins with a single step. So folks, it's time to give that dream the green light and kick debt to the curb. Now, who's ready to trade that debt for a one-way ticket to financial freedomville? Let's dive into the roadmap that will guide you through 2024, helping you navigate the rocky terrains of debt towards the tranquil oasis of financial freedom. It's not an overnight journey, but with determination, consistency, and a sprinkle of savvy financial strategies, you can certainly reach your destination. Step 1. Set realistic goals. It's the cornerstone of any successful venture, and your journey to financial freedom is no exception. Whether it's paying off a credit card, a student loan, or saving for a down payment on a house, be clear about what you want to achieve. Write these goals down and make them specific. Instead of saying, I want to pay off my debt, say, I want to pay off $5,000 of my debt by December 2024. This specificity gives you a clear target to aim for. Step 2. Establish a budget. It's your financial compass, guiding you on the right path. Your budget should cover your essential expenses and allocate funds to pay off your debt. Remember, every dollar you don't spend frivolously is a dollar you can use to pay off your debt. Step 3. Create an emergency fund. It's like having an umbrella handy on a rainy day. Start small, even if it's just $25 a week. This fund serves as a safety net, preventing you from slipping back into debt when unexpected expenses arise. Step 4. Celebrate the small victories. Paying off debt can feel like a marathon, but every payment, no matter how small, gets you closer to the finish line. Celebrate these moments. They're proof of your progress and can boost your motivation to keep going. Step 5. Keep a positive mindset. It's your most powerful tool. It's easy to feel overwhelmed, but remember, you're taking control, and every step forward is a win. Surround yourself with positivity, read success stories, listen to motivational podcasts, or join online communities of people on similar journeys. Step 6. Automate your payments. It's like setting cruise control on your debt repayment journey. This ensures you never miss a payment and keeps you on track towards your financial freedom. And finally, Step 7. Continuously educate yourself. Stay updated with financial trends, read books, attend webinars or workshops. Knowledge is power, and in this case, it's the power to achieve financial freedom. Remember, this roadmap is not a magic wand that will instantly erase your debt. It's a guide, A strategic plan that, when followed consistently, will lead you to financial freedomville. And don't forget, you're not alone in this journey. Millions are traveling the same road, and together we can transform the dismal side of debt into a story of triumph and financial independence. Remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step, or in this case, a single payment. Feeling inspired to dump that debt and start your journey to financial freedom? Well, you're not alone. There's an entire community out there filled with people like you who are eager to share their experiences, their triumphs, and even their missteps. We learn from each other, we grow together. Maybe you've got a stellar tip that helped you shave off a chunk of your debt, or perhaps a question that's been nagging at you. Don't keep it to yourself. The comment section below is your platform to share, to ask, to learn. There's power in collective wisdom. Your insights could be the missing puzzle piece for someone else. Your question could spark a conversation that leads to groundbreaking solutions. So folks, let's turn the comment section into a debt dumping discussion, and remember, the road to financial freedom is just a click away. Thank you for tuning in.